Today we're going to be disassembling the 2020 Plus GM and Silverado tow mirrors. Show you how to do a complete disassembly to prep them for paint. We're going to start with removing the glass. So we'll start with the bottom glass. We're going to tip it all the way out, tip the top one all the way in, give us enough room. As we slide down inside, there is a clip that we can just twist with this flat screwdriver and it will pop right off right here. Just move your screwdriver around a little bit and it will pop free. Don't pry on the glass or you will crack it. And then for the main glass, we are going to turn it up and out. And there will be a clip inside as well. It is similar. Right in here. Slide a flat screwdriver in there and twist and it will pop off again. Bit of a pain to get to, and try not to pry on the glass itself. So once you get that clip popped, just work your way around. You can use a flat screwdriver to pop the other clips around the perimeter of the actual mirror motor base. And she will come off. Now we've got the wiring, we've got the light wiring and the heated mirror wiring. These guys just pop off. This one, release it from its holder. And undo the clip. We're going to take a T15 Torx, remove these screws. Flip over and knock that one out. Go. Now that will loosen this face, we can pop off the caps. Be careful, there is two clips at the bottom of this face along in here. You don't want to pull too hard until we release those. And the upper cap, there is a couple clips along the top here. So we'll use a flat screwdriver to pop those guys. Release these caps first. That one off. Now this one. Just slide down and off. For these bottom clips, I like to slide the screwdriver in from this side and we can release them. Once they're released, I can show you the clips. Just these guys here. Unplug the spotlight, set that aside. Now we have a few more Torx to remove. Again, all T15. We have 4 on the main mirror motor, and then I believe there's 4 more on the backing. Now we can release the wiring on there. Now that we've come this far, we're going to slide this out. You can just grab the housing and slide it all the way out. Before we can remove the main face and the light, we have to pull these 2 pins. So for those, I just use a flat screwdriver, work it in. Takes a little bit of working. Once they're loose, you can grab them with a pair of pliers. Slide her all the way out. Now we can really remove this main housing. Now that's off, we can lift this away. Undo our mirror wiring, or mirror light wiring. the wiring off there. Now we got one more screw to remove the light, and that's ready to go. From here we have 2 more T15s. These guys are a little bit hard to move, but you can just slide them around to get them out of the way. You just kind of pivot out of the way. Now there's just clips all the way around this piece. Start on the bottom. This corner right here. Just slide your pry tool in there, and it will pop apart. Just slowly work them so we don't break anything. Off there. Now we're going to flip that over. Move this light. Just a little tab that pushes in. Pops out. Move the wiring. Another T15 torch for the camera. This rubber on the end just slides right off. Takes a little wiggle. It will pop off. And you can reach in and push this camera housing a bit easier. There's a bit of a pain in this clip right here. You have to push that one out while squeezing this tab here. Just gonna grab that, squeeze and pull. And now you can, now that we've got this fully disassembled, we're gonna spray it just like this because you can't remove this housing or this housing without removing the main pin, which doing that would destroy the pivot and would not be fun to repair. So we'll spray it like this, but now you've got complete access to all your edges on all the parts. You can spray everything, get all your edges wrapped nicely, don't have any peel points. And that's that.